Artificial intelligence, AI, offers several benefits in the field of education, which can definitely leave a positive impact on students and educators if used wisely. This video will focus on one of the tools, which is the Copy.AI. If you will search for it, you should see the logo which is appearing on the slide. Copy.ai is an artificial intelligence writing tool that uses machine learning to generate various types of content. It creates variants for text for specific goals and targets. It can help students create outlines for their essays. Be careful, Turnitin has released its AI writing detection capabilities, so Copy.ai is detectable. Copy.ai is a very useful app for quickly cranking out a lot of content. This is the front page of the website for Copy.ai. You can sign up with Google or sign up with your email, try for free, and get the best out of it to serve your purposes for writing.